Times now has accessed clinching phone call records of Sandeep Singh. And the call data records show how Sandeep Singh was not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for the last 10 months before his death, but suddenly came into focus after Sushant's death. That is a massive revelation, Athar. Not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for 10 months since September 2019. And once the news breaks out of Sushant Singh Rajput's death, Sandeep was seen everywhere, at Sushant's house, at the hospital, in the morgue as well.
Well, absolutely. This Sandeep Singh Rathore, who also came on the channel, spoke about it and why he was there, how did he get there. It's extremely crucial to ask these questions that where was he for the past 10 months? We'll, of course, open this up right now because we've gotten the call data records out. There was no communication with Sandeep or Sushant for the past 10 months. The last contact, Swati, we are being told, and according to this call data records, was only in September of 2019. So where was he all these months, and why wasn't he in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput if they were such thick friends?
Well, yes, absolutely. You know, those questions definitely need to be asked to Sandeep Singh, who claims that he's a very close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, who also claims that Sushant once messaged him saying that he would like to work with Sandeep, in the near future. And then Sandeep goes missing, not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput or Rhea Chakrabarti for that matter, Athar, since September 2019. We've accessed the call data records that are a proof, in fact, that there was no contact established between Sandeep Singh and Sushant Singh Rajput, who all of a sudden can be seen all over the place, everywhere, from Sushant's flat where he was found dead to the hospital. In fact, arranging for the ambulance, and then, if you remember those visuals,
right,
outside the Cooper Hospital, Athar, with the sister Meetu Singh, it was Sandeep.
Absolutely, and it did look like, Swati, that he suddenly came out of nowhere and took charge. As you mentioned rightly, he was at the house, he was at the morgue, he went to the hospital. It does look like he just burst out of thin air and suddenly took charge of what was happening around Sushant Singh Rajput's dead body. Where was he for the last 10 months? It's a valid question. We are not incriminating anyone right now, but these questions must be asked. Details with my colleague Pranesh Kumar Roy, who joins us with the details of the call data records. Pranesh, what do the CDR say?
Sandeep Singh, who has claimed that he was Sushant's best friend, wasn't in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for the last 10 months. We are not making this up, Athar and Swati. Times Now has for the first time accessed the call data records of Sandeep Singh, the man who was seen at the crime scene. He visited Sushant's Bandra flat on June 14th. He went to the hospital. He is also caught on camera sitting inside the ambulance when the body was being taken from Bandra to the Cooper Hospital. And he was also, by one insider account, present at the Cooper Hospital mortuary when Rhea came to see Sushant's body. So if this man wasn't in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for the last 10 months, what changed on June 14th that suddenly you had a situation where Sandeep Singh was seen as the man in charge? And the pictures prove it amply. If you just look at the pictures from June 14th, outside his apartment, Sandeep Singh is on his phone constantly talking to someone. Now the question is, who was he talking to? The insider also told Times Now that someone from Dubai called Sandeep Singh. Now, who was this Dubai source? Was it a handler? Was he part of the mafia that is being investigated? We don't know. But for the first time, Athar, the call data records are exposing the Sandeep Singh sham. He wasn't a friend, at least not by the data that we've analyzed. A preliminary look at the phone call records of Sandeep Singh says that he wasn't in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for the last 10 months. No calls whatsoever, not even one SMS or a WhatsApp message. This was the nature of his relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput. So why did he rush to do everything after Sushant was found dead? Who was the person who was asking him to do this? Why did he call people and ask them to arrange for funeral? Why was he sitting inside the ambulance? Sushant's sister was also there. Why was Sandeep not allowing the family members to take charge? These are some fundamental questions, but let me quickly recap this. For the first time, Times Now has accessed the call data records, and no calls to Sushant since 1st September 2019. This is from the call data records of Sandeep Singh. And if you give me a moment, I will go to that page, the calls that he received on June 13th and June 14th, which will tell us who called Sandeep Singh, who asked him to rush to the crime scene, who were the people that he was talking to. But having said that, the most fundamental question is, why was Sandeep taking charge when he wasn't in touch with Sushant Singh for the last 10 months, Athar?
There you go, Sandeep Singh Rathor missing in action, if you will, for the past 12 months. No calls in or out, Swati, to Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant never called him since September 2019. And suddenly, after Sushant dies, he lands up at the scene. He goes to the mortuary. He goes to the hospital, takes charge, as Pranesh was saying right now. Was he working at somebody's behest? We don't know yet, but this is a question that Sandeep Singh needs to answer clearly, Swati.
Absolutely. You know, we also have Priyank, Tamal and Arunil on the broadcast. But Athar, let's first go through the call data records, because Sandeep Singh claims that he was a very close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, who in fact, made some comments on Sushant Singh Rajput's personal life as well. He said Ankita was the only person, the ex-girlfriend, who understood. So you would get a sense that this man knew a lot about Sushant Singh Rajput. Then he goes missing for 10 months.
Absolutely, you're right. These are questions that he needs to answer clearly. Nobody has asked these questions because nobody had the proof till now. We now do. Take a look at this. These are the call data records that we are talking about right now. Now, September 2019 is when the last communication between Sushant Singh Rajput and this person, Sandeep Singh Rathor, happened. We've slightly blurred these because only we have these right now. And there are other reasons, valid reasons, which will tell you why we blurred these. But what I can tell you clearly, that there have been no calls, not a single call, no SMS, no messages between Sushant Singh Rajput on one hand and this Rathor fellow, Mr. Sandeep Rathor, on the other. This is starting from September 2019 when the last call was made. This is one somewhere here. But if you go through it, and we do have all the documentation here, there are no calls between Mr. Rathor and Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput. There it is now. Now see, this is all clear now, so we can show our viewers, come in slightly, move in slightly, so we can tell our viewers exactly what we're talking about right now. This one in yellow, of course, is from Ankita Lokhande, former partner of Sushant Singh Rajput. This is from August 2020. But take a look at this list. HM, Junaid Syed, Ranbir something, Vivek someone, Bhardwaj someone, Maneet someone, Suhail someone, Sanju someone, Naitik Desai someone, Akash someone. There is no Sandeep Singh Rathor here anywhere. Now from September 2019 till the day Sushant Singh Rajput died, that's June 13, 14, in the intervening night somewhere, there is not a single call from this Rathor fellow. If you go down slightly and come forward slightly again, if I could ask my VJ to come in here. See, Lakshya somebody, Vikram somebody, Jay somebody, Roger somebody, it goes on. It goes on. There is no mention of the name Sandeep Singh Rathor anywhere. Not a single call. Again, we want to stress here that we've gotten the call data records of Mr. Sandeep Singh Rathor, and there is absolutely no communication, Swati, with Sushant Singh Rajput. The third page we'll go across to. These are people who are quite well known from the film industry, etc., etc. Raima somebody, Isha somebody, Kamal somebody, Driver somebody, Ken somebody, Lipika somebody, Yuvraj somebody. I'm not taking the last names, of course, because they also have the right to privacy. That's why I'm not taking the last names. But see, there is a pattern here. Priyanka somebody, Rashmi somebody, Anand somebody, no Sandeep Singh Rathor anywhere. These are call data records dating back a year, Swati, and that makes we have to ask this question, where exactly was this individual back then? See, June 14, there is a call from Akshay Bandgar. Now, this is important. This is the day when Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput's death was announced. June 14th, 2020. We have a call from a Vodafone number in Mumbai. Person's name is Akshay Bandagar. This is the day Sushant Singh Rajput was discovered dead. Remember, we broke that story on that day as well. One more, very quickly. There's a politician here who called him in April, well-known politician from the Congress party, now suspended, Sanjay Nirupam. He also called Sushant Singh Rajput. Again, this is April 18th I'm talking about, just about a month or so before Sushant Singh Rajput died. We've highlighted these in yellow because these are prominent personalities, Swati, that we're talking about right now. So clearly, Mr. Rathore needs to answer some questions. If he came in, took charge like he was never gone, why did he not call Sushant Singh Rajput for over a year, Swati?
Absolutely. So a very close friend who does not stay in touch for 10 long months and then suddenly appears on the day when Sushant Singh Rajput is found dead. Let's also listen in to Athar, the way he has described his relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput when Sandeep Singh spoke to our group editor politics, Navika Kumar.
43 डेज बाद फैमिली आई है सामने, और वो भी मीडिया के सामने नहीं, सीधा जस्टिस मांगने सुशांत के लिए एक एफआईआर दर्ज किया है, सीधा इतना सीरियस एक्शन लिया गया है। तो कुछ न कुछ ऐसी बातें होंगी पिता और पुत्र या फैमिली या सुशांत के बीच, जो वो लोग समझ के फिर पुलिस को वो सारी बातें डिटेल में बताई हैं उन्होंने। एज अ फ्रेंड मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि सुशांत ने कभी मुझसे ये सारी बातें नहीं शेयर की, बिकॉज आई थिंक हम हमेशा फिल्मों की बातें, म्यूज़िक की बातें, मस्ती, खाना पीना, जैसे मैंने अपने सोशल मीडिया पे भी लिखा था कि उनको मटन खाना, बिहारी मटन, क्योंकि वो भी बिहार से हैं, मैं भी बिहार से हूँ, मैं भी पटना में ही पढ़ा लिखा हूँ, और वो कनेक्शन हमारा 10 साल से है। जब मैं संजय भंसाली के यहाँ पे CEO था, तब से मेरी दोस्ती उनके साथ हुई थी, और हमारा रिश्ता बहुत ही क्लोज आ गया था, और हम अच्छे दोस्त। आज मतलब मेरे पास वो मैसेज भी सेव है जहाँ सुशांत ये लिखता है कि भाई, you and Mahesh Shetty are the only two friends I have. That message is very precious to me, which I have.